Hi, and welcome again to another edition of Market Analysis for today, November 5th. I'm Giovanni Benacourt, and this is a recording previous to the USA session open, about half an hour from now. All right, so volatility is obviously is going to be expected today. Right now, we just fluctuating into the downside within really Friday's range, within yesterday's range. I am going to speculate that we're not going to be seeing any abrupt movements either way to the upside or to the downside. I think we're going to continue to stay within range in all the indices as far as the S&P goes. Same token as you look, we did have a green day yesterday, but today is not the case so far, right? As far as the Dow goes, also within range. I believe that today, just because of the nature of the day, of the importance of the day, we're just gonna be really having low fluctuations, and I don't believe that we're gonna have any parabolic movements either way. It's just gonna be very choppy. So stay vigilant. We have here in the crude oil, perhaps in the crude oil has some, obviously we're having some of that volatility being factored in. So 72 and a half is about to be, 72 and 300 is going to be about to be met. So let's do 72 and a half as first resistance, 72 and a half. And then let's just do the $73 as far as the second resistance, the 20-day moving average as our first support for crude oil. And then let's just use the bottom of yesterday, the opening of yesterday, as our second level of support. Obviously, to the upside, buying crude oil. Nat Gas. Right, so Nat Gas opened with a slight gap up after yesterday having such a nice rally to the upside. So let's use the top Bollinger Band as our second level of resistance, and 245 as our first level. Where did it go? Here it is. All right, as our first level of resistance, and then as far as support goes, let's use the 50-day moving average as our first level of support, and then 225 as our second level of support. And yeah, obviously going to the upside, buying Nat Gas today. So buying crude oil, buying Nat Gas. The indices, I'm staying out of it for real for now. Obviously, whoever wins is gonna bring some obviously volatility. The Trump wins, you're gonna see social media and Bitcoin. Stocks benefit from that. If Harris wins, electrical vehicle cars, they're gonna be the winners. As far as gold goes, all right, so gold is also looking at some minor fluctuation, really within yesterday's and Friday's range so far. But again, because of the nature of the day, favoring going long is always a nice investment right now, trading gold that way. Silver also is fluctuating above the 20-day moving average, so going long on silver, going long on gold. Copper is the one that has finally broken out of that range that has been for a couple of days. That breakout has happened. All right, so here we go. So let's use 450, and let's just use obviously what the 50-day moving average is as our probable level of support for copper. So going long copper, buying copper. And then Bitcoin is the one that seems to be looking to recuperate itself. So it's looking into just fluctuating into yesterday's range. So let's use that upper level as resistance, and the 70,000 as the first level of resistance for Bitcoin. That's our target. Let's keep on using that 50-day moving average as our support, and right below that, let's hold that level of support for Bitcoin. So going long Bitcoin as well. The currencies, because we see the euro looking mighty strong here, but we are within yesterday's range also. So, but still moving higher. So, favoring some positioning in euro, and on the pound as well. So we have here our levels of resistance, our level of supports. So again, the markets are going to be just somewhat quiet until, obviously they're not, but I mean, today, dollar index may have some fluctuation to the downside. And now, if we do see the dollar index fluctuating to the downside, we most likely will see a nice bump into the upside in what is the, what we have here is the currencies and the metals. That's it for today. Have a great trading day, and see you tomorrow. See what happens.